Using this 3-tip pen, it's so much easier to make hair-like strokes for that bushy brow than just filling the gaps. I'll be wearing a pink wig on this look, so I'm coating my eyebrows with this pink eyebrow mascara, then apply eyeshadow primer. Fill up the center of the lids with this light pink shade. Then a white matte shadow on the inner corners, grayish brown shade on the inner lid and outer V. Purple as a transition, shade for the pink and brown. This palette is so beautiful. Color story is just right up my alley. I'm intensifying the edges of the pink with a more saturated pink, and then buffing it all over the crease line, blending a purple on the outer V, and then layering it with more saturated purple. I'll be using this gorgeous duochrome pen for drawing a subtle cut crease. I finished the other side, so I can plan the look as I go. Rotatable pen makes drawing eyeliner so much easier for me. I'm using Durline to make the powder highlight into an eyeliner, drawing a cat eye shape for the outer crease line. With a lighter duochrome pen, I'm drawing a V line inside the cut crease, then just topping it off with Kaleidos Prophecy highlight for a more color shift effect. This is my customized palette for my multi-chrome eyeshadow collection. It's literally so beautiful. I'll be using this purple shadow on my brow bone and do a little spot highlight on it for a more shifty color effects. Then with this gorgeous glittery shade, I'll overlay my inner corners with it. I'm using Kaleidos Gifted to make an outline between the contours of my inner corners. Look at that magical thing. I'm using that all over my inner corners, into my brow bone. Then I took a chunkier purple glitter and put it on the center of my lids like a spotlight effect. Add some of that on the inner corners. I'm layering this purple pink gray duochrome shade on the dark parts of eyeshadow for more dimension. Then just adding green glitter on top of the cut crease line. This is my favorite eyeliner for waterline. It's discontinued and mine's almost done. It makes the most natural nude waterline. Then I'm just extending the liner on the inner corners to reshape my eyes, making them look bigger. Then a pink eyeliner to create a new lash line. White eyeliner for spot highlighting. The key points to make the eyes look bigger. Then I'm adding more dimension. I'm drawing an age yossel using a burgundy shade. Popping that effect more by putting a good light base on it, using the other side of the pen to add color on my age yossel. Then setting that in place with a powder pencil. Adding shadows at the outer corners of age yossel so it appears more 3D. Then spot highlight in the center with a white eyeliner. Topping it off with Kaleidos Gifted to make the eye look more cohesive, then take a burgundy shade to define the lower lash. I'm drawing a Terra effect using pink. It's going to be the background of the glitter tears. Now time to make the glitter tears. Then I'm adding some chunky glitters. Drawing lower lashes with rotatable pen. Gonna put glue on where I want to put rhinestones. Dazzling time. Curling lashes. Applying generous coats of mascara. Double eyelid tape is a must for that extra big eyelid effect. Popping the dolly lashes. Adding more details to the glitter tears. Adding lower lash is a game changer too. The look. Then some cutesy glittered freckles. Spot highlighting the nose and filtering with Kaleidos Gifted. I like contouring my filtrum too. Make an illusion of a shorter mid-face. Contouring the upper parts of the lips for a fuller look. The lower parts to make it look plumped. Applying a light lip liner as a base. Color of the lips. I like setting my lips with this blush. It gives a good strong base, especially if it's going to be layered with a gloss. I'm contouring and making a gradient effect using a bright lip mud. Then using a pencil lip brush to soften the edges. Then highlight the cupid's bow with Kaleidos Gifted. Coating everything with this gorgeous nude gloss. Then this glittery gloss as a topper. This gloss is probably expired and discontinued already, but I do see it's gorgeous, I'll still use it. Putting that only in the middle for the purple. Glittery shine that it gives. Look how juicy and plumped my lips look. I applied silver glitters all over me, and now I'm highlighting my collarbones with Gifted and Prophecy. And we're done with the look.